Hey there, Cheeseboat here. I just want to say that I really do enjoy all your recent installments. Ruby and Nick, you two are definitely a pair that do belong together. Nick, I'm just amazed at the menagerie of words Ruby's able to pronounce so readily, and the bond that you two share is just heartwarming that there are people still out there like you. Because every so often story will come about animal abuse, and it's good to see that there are still some good hearts out there. Myself, I have a parakeet, and he's a little handful, I'll tell you. Always getting in stuff, ripping stuff, and yeah, he's learning some things too that I really wish he hadn't learned. Uh, I really have to say, it amazes me to no end the quality of the bond that you two share. Oh, thank you for watching, and cheers.